Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to download video from VK with IDM, and it's working right now at like September of 21. So let's find out. Hello everybody, Luke Tyson here, and this is my YouTube channel. I just found out this trick and it's quite easy. So if you found a video that you want to download on VK to watch offline and you already have IDM integration module on your browser, in this case I using Chrome. If I want to download it with IDM, you see when IDM pop up there will be a various of video file but very small size, and if you download it and open it, it's not actually a video, so practically you cannot download this video. But I found out that if you just go to URL, then you press M dot, then press enter again, browser will go to like a mobile mode, and if you enable IDM on this page and play the video, now you can download the file, and it's actually a video file that you just watched. And that's how easy it is. If you got any problem, please feel free to comment in the comment section below.